Hi, this is Mr. Millay, and here's your video review. First of all, you need to know all of the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments. Secondly, you need to know the definitions of the following words: Articles of Confederation, Annapolis Conference, checks and balances, unicameral, bicameral, Native Americans who did not count for taxation or representation, slaves who counted for 3/5 of representation, executive branch, judicial branch, and legislative branch. You need to know what they do. That's the matching stuff. You also need to be able to match the president or person at the Constitutional Convention to their description. George Washington was the president. Ben Franklin only showed up for important votes and big speeches. John Adams wasn't there because he was in England. William Patterson wrote the New Jersey plan. James Madison wrote the Virginia plan. And Patrick Henry didn't go to the convention because he hated the new Constitution. You need to be able to tell me that Rhode Island didn't come to the Constitutional Convention. You need to know that under the Articles of Confederation, the federal government could not vote or tax states, force states to pay taxes. You need to know the difference between New Jersey and Virginia plan. You need to know what the biggest problem is with the Articles of Confederation. That was their lack of being able to tax. You need to know why we know so much about the Constitutional Convention. That's because of James Madison's journal. We need to know why they did the convention in silence. You need to be able to know what the average person was like at the convention. You need to be able to know what the 3/5 compromise was. You need to be able to tell me what each branch of the government does. You need to give me one argument that people made against the Constitution. You need to tell me what the Federalist Papers were and why they were written. You need to tell me why they needed New York and Virginia to ratify the Constitution. You need to tell me when it was ratified. You need to know that date, September 17th, 1787. You need to know what the Great Compromise / Connecticut Compromise said. And if you know all of those things, you will be doing fine for your quiz tomorrow.